Wanna try some quick snack? This recipe is for you. Hey everyone, welcome to Oliver Kitchen. As always, if you love to learn easy recipes, smash the thumbs up and subscribe. Today we will share the easiest bread bites recipe. Ingredients will be added in the description. Please check. Let's start. Take 3 slices of bread, cut into 4 pieces each. Take 1 egg. Add a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and mix well. Add the breads into mixture and soak. Heat some oil in a pan and add the breads. Cook on a low-medium heat until both sides are beautifully golden brown. What you like most? Sweet or spicy snacks? Let us know in the comment below. Enjoy and subscribe for the next recipe.